Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, February 16, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, February 16, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ng lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng February 16, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 650 East, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, February 16, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for February 16, 2025, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, February 16, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.